Hi, ma'am. First of all, congratulations for the award.
Thank you so much.
So you have excelled in the field of fashion. So what do you want to tell about the students who want to pursue their career in fashion? And there is a taboo regarding pursuing a career in fashion and like doing fashion education. So what do you want to tell about that?
I think there is a taboo in pursuing anything related to arts and design
Yeah.
for a long time.
Yeah.
And I think it has to change.
Yeah.
Because there is opportunity. Our fashion world has become a small village, right? Yeah. Not just India. India is also growing in terms of fashion and every field.
Yeah.
And there is out there a big world waiting for fashion designers from a country like India, which has a rich heritage and history of fashion.
Yeah.
We were the makers of fashion once upon a time, and we made fabrics, we made embroidery, we made amazing art pieces which went across the globe.
Yeah.
Right? So we have to get back to that. We must become the kingdom of, the capital of fashion again.
Oh. So, since we are in the Devi Awards, what do you want to tell about the girls who want to pursue their career in fashion?
We are all about fashion always, yeah. So this career, we just have to own up and rule it.
Yeah.
There is no taboo attached, and there is good and bad in every career, every field.
Yeah.
So, and one thing I want to tell is I have seen girls who come into fashion thinking that it's very fancy.
Yeah.
And it's going to be an easy, job or easy stream of education. But no, I'm also an architect turned fashion designer.
Okay.
So I can say anything related to art and design when you study, it is like
It has its own difficulty.
You have to dedicate all your, focus, energy, time, life, soul, blood, sweat, everything towards it to excel this, because it's not math.
Yeah.
It's not 1 + 1 = 2.
You need to be creative.
You need to be into that world to create wonders.
Okay.
So it's no joke.
Yeah.
If you are serious, there is the sky is the limit.
Okay. Very well said, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.